Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a cook with me, and we're making croque monsieurs. This is one of my favorite French dishes. Growing up, there was a French restaurant in my town that from my French class we would go to and have lunch occasionally. And then my family went until the restaurant closed, and I loved croque monsieurs, but it took me a while to find a recipe for me to know how to make it. And this one, I think it was on someone's blog from years ago, and I've made it a few different times, but I thought I'd share it today. And of course, I'll link the recipe down below. Ingredients, we have butter, flour. This is a mix of Parmesan and Gruyere. This is just Gruyere, milk, whole milk. It said to use crusty bread. My French bread actually went bad, so I'm using what I got of sourdough, and then Black Forest ham. So to start, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then I went ahead and got a cookie sheet ready with some tin foil and put out my sourdough bread. From here, in a saucepan, you're going to melt down your butter. Once the butter's fully melted down, you're going to slowly start adding in your flour, continually whisking until it gets real thick and smooth, and then you'll let that go until it starts to brown a little bit. Once it's browned and bubbly, then you're going to start adding in your milk, which you will want to warm up a little bit in the microwave before you start pouring it in. Yes, I made a mess. I also added some salt and pepper to taste, but you're going to notice that this looks a little bit thin, but as you keep heating it and whisking it, it will start to thicken. And then once your sauce starts to thicken, you're going to add in some Parmesan cheese that's been grated and some grated Gruyere cheese. Once your sauce gets really thick and it's completely blended and the cheese is melted, you'll want to turn this down to a warm setting while you work on the rest of the sandwich. Once the oven's preheated, you're going to put your bread in just for a few minutes, and then you're going to flip it halfway, not even halfway through. You're basically toasting it without browning it. It's just for texture. It has nothing to do with color. once your bread is toasted, we're going to start to assemble the sandwich. Starting with the Black Forest ham, you'll put about 2 pieces of ham per piece of bread. And then from here, you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of the Gruyere cheese on top of the ham on each piece. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and take your bechamel sauce and just spoon some of that on top of everything. Like I said, this is a rich sauce, so if that's gonna affect you, you might want to use less. I tried to do a medium amount. And then the last step is to sprinkle some more Gruyere cheese on top of that. Now that the sandwich is fully assembled, we're going to put this in the oven at that 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is up, you're going to rotate the pan in the oven. Then you're going to change your oven to a high broil and broil it for 3 minutes until your cheese gets kind of brown and bubbly. Look at that yummy goodness. This would probably be served very well with a salad. I did not this day because I hadn't had any good lettuce left in the fridge, but a little side salad would be great with it. So there you have it, Croque Monsieurs made at home. Very good. I will point out it is a very rich food, obviously because of the bechamel sauce, but it is very good. It's not something I make all the time. It's definitely a treat when I do. But I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.